The Monitor Keywords component is the first component in the competitive position section. This component consists of several sections. First of all, you have a table in the main UI here, which you can use to monitor changes in rankings for your Monitor keywords. This table enables you to quickly identify significant changes in keywords performance in the SERPs. It is worth remembering you can use various types of filter here. First of all, you can use the column headers to sort the table, but you can also filter this data by using part of a key phrase, an existing keyword group, a search engine, or you can use various mathematical filters here in these column headings. For example, if I simply type here 1-10, this column will almost instantly refresh to show me all my current rankings on the first page of a search engine, or for a group of up to 4 search engines. But I can break down this table even further by using similar filters in other columns. I could get this table to show me which of these keywords were ranking last month on page 1. Other similar functions work too. For example, the greater than and less than signs also work here, as you can see. This component also includes a customizable chart. Here you can individually select which of your Monitor keywords to monitor over time and save the resulting graph down as a PNG. If you're working for an SEO agency, this can be useful for showing a client the movements of selected keywords over time. In future releases of the software, we plan to include the option to show your competitors' positions over time for the same select group of keywords. Below the chart, you will again notice that the component shows when it was last updated and when you can expect it to update next. At the moment, we run keyword ranking jobs every week, but plan to allow customers to specify daily ranking reports on a site-by-site basis, although this will have cost implications. The most important thing to remember about the Monitor Keywords component is that there is a lot more detail hidden behind this green Optimize button. Click here and you will open up a task page where you can monitor keyword performance in more detail and also conduct keyword research in order to determine which keywords to monitor for your particular SEO campaign. Let's start with keyword research. Click on this tab to open up this screen. This is probably one of the first places you should be going to when first setting up a new SEO campaign. As you can see from these filters here, we will automatically populate this table by taking keywords from your Google Analytics account, your Webmaster Tools account, and also by crawling your competitors' homepages and your own homepage. We'll also allow you to upload your own set of keywords. Simply click here and cut and paste or enter keywords here, one per line. When you import them manually like this, the system will automatically queue and then rerun keyword ranking jobs for these keywords. This enables the keyword rankings for these to come in line with the other ones you already have within the system. The first thing to do in this table is to decide what data you want to display. To do this, use the Select Columns feature, which is accessible by clicking on the small grey cog icon here. You will then be presented with the following list. This list shows you at a glance how the system will take data from several different data sources and mix them together into one really useful component. So for example, we have our own system filters here, Google Analytics data, keyword ranking data, our own universal search analysis, plus data we pull through automatically using the Google AdWords API. Simply select the data you want to use for your keyword research, and you'll notice that the table will instantly refresh itself in the background. When you're happy, click anywhere on the screen to go back to the table itself. The next thing you should perhaps consider doing is setting up keyword groups, as this will help you to break down the data into more manageable chunks later. There are 2 places to do this. Within Keyword Research, you simply click on the Edit Groups link here and enter a new keyword group name and save it down. Now, if you want to add keywords into specific groups or buckets, simply select the desired keyword group from the drop-down menu here and add or remove the keywords to and from this group using the green plus icons and the red minus icons on the right-hand side of the table. Similarly, if you want to remove keywords from this table, you can select them using the tick boxes or the global tick box here, and then by using the global drop-down menu you can either delete keywords, add them to groups, monitor or unmonitor them. If you monitor keywords in this way, they will automatically be assigned to the keyword group selected over here at the time. As you monitor or unmonitor keywords, you will notice the counter updating here, and it will warn you if you are likely to incur overage charges for having the system monitor more keywords than your current package threshold allows. For details on the various thresholds, please contact your account manager or take a look at the sign-up page on our website. I'm sure you'll have your own ideas as to which keywords you want to monitor for any particular SEO campaign, but it's worth remembering that in addition to putting keywords into groups, you can also use the Boolean type filters in these column headings here. For example, you might have a different SEO strategy for head terms and long tail, and using the word count column can be quite useful for helping break down your keyword strategy into different sections. Similarly, you can use the greater than and less than signs. For example, I can use these here in organic rank if I want to see at a glance which keywords are currently considered ranked by the system by typing less than 100. And as you can see, it's filtered all the zeros from the table. Just a point on how we run keyword rankings. We will only check the first 10 pages of a search engine before stopping. We run keyword ranking checks through a managed proxy service which is monitored regularly to ensure we achieve maximum uptime from a select group of proxy service providers that we use. At the moment we run these checks every week, but daily rankings are also feasible. Please contact us for details if you require these, as we are developing the software to allow you to do this. We will check every single keyword for you a maximum of 3 times in order to obtain a ranking result. If, for any reason, the system is unable to return a clear ranking result, you will see a dash or hyphen shown in the organic rank column in this section and in the main user interface. However, the system will also double check any major keyword movements. For example, if a keyword rank has jumped up or down more than 10 places since the last report, we will check this individual keyword rank a further 4 times in order to verify this movement. When you've finally decided on your choice of monitor keywords for a campaign, just go to the Monitor Keywords section here to get a more detailed view of their performance. Here you might want to use the Select Columns tool, the little grey cog icon here, to focus more on metrics like conversion and revenue data. This table might therefore in practice seem a little simpler than the one you've used during keyword research. Here you can now also make use of the keyword groups you've just set up by simply selecting different keyword groups to narrow down your focus and have a look at the changes that have taken place during your SEO campaign for a particular keyword set. Again, you can download this data also as an Excel spreadsheet. And that's how you research, manage and monitor keywords using the software. Future releases will include competitive keyword ranking analysis and share of voice data. Thanks for listening.